Good morning, everyone. How are you all? In last class, we already completed how to find the mean, median, and mode and range for the given data, like this type of data. Today, we're going to calculate by using the frequency table. Because in this one, there is a number of pets and frequency. Look at this example. This is the table is given to you, okay? And he asks you to find out, calculate mean, mode, and range of the number of pets. Whenever like this table is given, what we do, the first step, we have to increase here one column and increase here one row. This is the first step, okay? Clear? So before we have to find the mean, you have to understand the formula. The formula is summation. This symbol is called summation. Summation. What is the meaning of summation? Used for the sum of the terms. Like we know that what is the mean? Sum of values by number of values. That means this is the symbol indicates the sum of the terms, okay? So now first of all, frequency denoted with the f, number whatever in the beginning is the frequency is the f, whatever is given one more column denoted with x. We need to find out fx. Fx means what? Multiply, because there is no symbol between f and x, so multiply. 0 multiplied by 5 equal to 0, 1 multiplied by 8 equal to 8, 2 multiplied by 4 equal to 8, 3 multiplied by 2 equal to 6, 8 multiplied by 1 equal to 8. Now add it. Why? Because I add summation means what? The total. Understand? Sum of the values of fx. So 8 plus 8 equals 16, 16 plus 6 equal to 22, 22 plus 8 is 30. Now add the frequency. 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 4 is 17, 17 plus 2 is 19, 19 plus 1 is 10, 20. That is equal to summation f. So formula is what? Summation fx by summation f. Summation fx how much? 30 divided by 20. 0, 0 cancel. 3 by 2 means 1.5. How? This is the way to find the mean. So whenever is given the two columns, you have to add one more column and one more row. No need to add the number of pets. Now find out the mode. How to find the mode? Remember, number of pets. That means we need to find the value of the mode from here. But by looking the highest frequency. Number of pets with the highest frequency. Number of pets with the highest frequency. So look at it in this one, which is the big number? 8 is the big number. Just look at the exact straight away 1. Why? Because what is the meaning of this one? That means 0 is 5 times. 0 is 5 times. 0 repeated 5 times. This is the meaning. If you read 1 is repeated 8 times. So 1 repeated most of, what is the meaning of mode? Mode means which repeated more times, most of the times. So 1 here repeated 8 times. So that's why 1 is the mode. Now range also from here only. So highest value minus smallest value. So 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. Okay. Now look at the question number. Now look at the question number 1 from exercise 12.2. So the grouped frequency, this is the grouped frequency. Like here exactly we have one number, but here is a grouped frequency. Whenever the grouped frequency, how to find the value? By using the concept of half. So 0 plus 14, how much? 0 plus 14 divided by 2, like median. 0 plus 14, how much? 14 by 2 equal to 7. Okay, next is 15 plus 29. So 15 plus 29, how much? 44 by 2 equal to 22. No need to find out remaining, just check it here. 22 minus 7, how much? 15. So every time add 15 only now. 22 plus 37 is 22 plus 15 is 37. 37 plus 15 is 52. 52 plus 13 is 67. 67 plus 15 is 82. Okay, like this way you have to find the remaining numbers. Okay, so then I find the x value. I already have frequency, but if like this way I cannot find that any thing, like any average, like mean, median, mode, range, we cannot find out. We need exactly value. It is not possible intervals. Okay, this is 75 to 89. Okay, it's not 99, it is 89. If you look at here, 0 to 14, 14 gap. 15 to 29, there is 14 difference. 30 to 44, 14 difference. 45 to 59, 14 difference. 60 to 74, 14 difference. 75 to 89, it's not 99. Okay, it's mistake. So 60 plus 74, how much? It is 114. 114 divided by 2, how much? 60, sorry, 70 plus 60, how much? 134. 134 divided by 2, if you check it, 134 divided by 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14. So 67. Okay. No need to find out each and every one. Only find out first two numbers, then check the difference. So 22 to 7, how much difference? 15 difference. So add every time 15. Now in the question he asks you to find out only mode. Model class means why it is model class or mode. Both are same. So how to find the mode? I told you. Check from the highest frequency. Okay. The number of the value. Okay, here what the model class in the age group with the highest frequency. So which is the highest frequency? This is the highest frequency. then check the value. So value is 22. That means 22 is repeated 18,600 times. Okay, so answer is 22. Clear? So your homework is workbook exercise 12.2 question number 1 is the homework for you. I hope you understand today's class work. If you have any more questions, you can ask me in the next class. Thank you.